What's good, my tech friends? This is the one and only Tech Boss. So today we have this. It's honestly I don't know how to say the name, but obviously I've been seeing these devices flying around for a few times now, and I thought, you know what, let me pick it up. Let me see what's about. Let me unbox it, see what's in the box, see if it's a phone I could actually live with, because obviously it's not highly expensive. It's not an expensive device like the iPhone, or the Samsung, or the OnePlus, or Google Plus, or whatever that's out there that's expensive. This only, I picked this up for around £170 or $170 for the American people. But yeah, I thought, you know what, let me grab it. I mean, it came out in 2020, so there should be some kind of good, good features in it because it's out in 2020. So yeah, we're gonna unbox it and we're gonna see what's in the box, like we always do on this channel. See what's inside a box. That's why we're called Tech Boss. No, Tech Boss. I thought we were called Tech Box. I should actually change YouTube channel to Tech Box instead of Tech Boss, because we look inside boxes. Anyway, let's have a little look around this box. So obviously up top at the front we have a picture of the phone with the oppo A5 2020. Have a picture of that on the front. On the side we have the logo there as well. Then the other side we have the logo as well. Can you see that? And at the back we have a few information about the phone. The phone, it's got a ultra wide quad camera. So we got the normal aperture and then the ultra wide camera, and yeah, it's got only two cameras: the ultra wide and the normal aperture camera. And then the battery we have in this is the 5,000 milliamp battery, which on smartphones now in the early days or last year they don't have that, especially the Samsung, the iPhones. None is got up to 5,000 milliamp. It's normally 4,800 or 4,000 or 4,500, something along them 4,000 range kind of line. But this is 5,000 milliamp battery, so this will last you for, I don't know, quite maybe a full day or something like that. Then it's got a Snapdragon 665 Game Boost 2.0 chip inside, and then it's got dual speakers, two speakers. Definitely gonna be checking that bad boy out. For the price of this, getting two speakers, wow. And then it's got the Atmos built in as well, the Dolby Atmos built in as well, which is pretty cool. Well,
of course it has two speakers. The one on the bottom for the sound and the one for your ear.
It doesn't matter. Anyway, before I got really interrupted, it's got the Dolby Atmos as well. More on the speakers when we actually see the phone. Yeah, for a phone like this, for the cost, that's a pretty good. Like already, it's got the battery life, it's got the wide angle, also it's got the Dolby Atmos speakers, which is pretty damn cool. Like, I mean, you get them kind of stuff on the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus and the iPhone. No, not the iPhone, because the iPhone is shit. You guys know that. Anyway, let's crack this box open. Oh yeah, just want to mention something. Don't be expecting luxury when you guys buy this phone. It does rattle a bit, so don't expect it to be all nicely packed up and packaged, and you know what I'm saying. But anyway, box opens really nice. There we go. We've got some paperwork, just like normal. Okay, was not expecting that. We get a free case, just like the OnePlus 6T or the 6. Did a video on that. I'll be putting that up there so you guys can check it out. That one actually came with a case, and this come with a case as well. And I kind of like this actually. That's pretty sick. Like if you look at in the middle there, the cutout almost looks like the number 1, which is pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Should have used this case for the OnePlus actually. But yeah, that's nice. case, plastic, no rubber, I don't know. And then you got your SIM ejector, which is there. And then you got some paperwork we don't really want to get into. Now we got the phone, which is over there. But we're going to put that aside for now. And then what else do we get in here? We got the standard charging brick. And then obviously we got the charging cable, which goes from USB-C to normal USBs. You guys can see that. You guys see that? And we got that. It's got USB-C built in, and then we got the basically the headphones, the 4.5mm headphone jack. You guys can see that. Okay, so anyway, that's not the main attraction. We come to see the phone. Obviously, it's a budget phone. We all know it's a budget phone, but does it live up to the expectation of the latest phones out there? And I'm gonna slide this in the case. Flipping out, it's a tight fit, but we got it in there. Definitely got it in there. It's quite a tight case, very tight case. Anyway, I'm gonna show you guys around the device, then I'll put the case on. But I mean, it's a nice looking phone. I mean, it's like I said, don't expect it to be, tip-top condition, and the quality is absolutely amazing. But yeah, I mean, at the front and back, as you can see, the back is glass, and then the front is glass as well. And then at the back we got the fingerprint scanner, which is there, and then we got the cameras, which is there as well. Then we got the flash, and then yeah, I think that's what we got in the back. And then at the back we got the logo, and it says designed for A series. Don't really know what that means, but yeah, phone's made in China, so this must be the China brand. Okay, all phones are made in China, like the iPhones, China really, or California. I don't know where they make it, but And then on the front, we got that beautiful teardrop kind of webcam. I mean selfie cam. I don't know if it's in focus. Then on the top there, we got obviously the speaker grill for when you answer the phone calls and stuff like that. And then on the side, we have this nice textured power button with green inside it for some reason. And then on the back as well, I noticed one of the last bottom camera has that nice green round circular thing there as well, which looks kind of pretty cool. And then on the side here, we got the volume up and down, and the SIM, and then the SIM ejector bit over there. Yeah, that's pretty much. At the bottom we have the speaker grill, the charging female point. We've got the mic, and then we got the 3.5mm headphone jack. But I'm going to be using this, see what's about, possibly bring you guys out a review, depends on how much I like the phone. And also one thing I need to notice that I've just noticed is it comes with a screen protector, which is good, but that's not what I want to tell you. But what I want to tell you guys is the chin on this bad boy is fucking phenomenal. It's like it has two chins. Like, look at that. Looks like it's got a double chin. See that? See the amount of chin at the bottom there? It's flipping. Look at that. Let me. Wow, I think, yeah, look how much chin is on there. So it's got a double chin. Well, I like to see the whole screen, like the whole real screen state should be like, I'd have loved it to be a lot bigger, but I mean, it's not. But what can you do for the price and the money you pay for this? Don't expect a Samsung Galaxy S10 feeling, because you're not going to get that. But yeah, like I said, I'm going to review this bad boy and see what it's like, and I'll bring you guys the video as well. So without further ado, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, dislike the video. Tell me why you dislike the video too. And yeah, be sure to, you know, check out my videos. Have fun. Watch it. I know you're watching it. Okay, Bobby. See you later. Bye bye.